Greetings viewers, welcome to Righteous Academy. I welcome you to this tutorial video where I'll be solving Science Paper 1 GCE 2025. So here we have a question coming from measurements. So as I have always said in all of my videos, I've made sure to say on Righteous Academy we are not only interested in finding the answers directly. So we are also interested in making sure that we understand a certain topic. We understand a certain topic where the question is coming from. So this question is coming from measurement. Now on measurements, to be specific, we are talking about the physical quantity known as length. So length is a physical quantity that is measured or that is calculated in meters. Length is a physical quantity that is measured and calculated in meters. So we use various instruments to measure length. So among these instruments of which we use to measure length, we have diagram A, diagram B, and the rest are the meter rule and the measuring tape. So according to question A, we are supposed now to name instrument A and B. Now what is going to enable us to name instrument A, or what is going to make us to identify correctly what instrument A is? So we have to know the parts of certain instruments. So on diagram A, this diagram, so here an instrument we have. So this part here is where we are going to find a ratchet, and this part is what we call as the sleeve reading. So this part is where we take the sleeve reading, and this part is where we are going to find a ratchet. And the ratchet is only found on the micrometer screw gauge. Micrometer screw gauge. So a ratchet and a sleeve is only found on a micrometer screw gauge. While this part we have the main scale reading and the thimble reading. So this part of the instrument on which we find the main reading, it is known as the vernier caliper. The vernier caliper. So question A, they are telling us to name instruments A and B. So instrument A, we are going to write micrometer screw gauge. Micrometer screw gauge. Screw gauge. Then instrument B, we are going to write vernier caliper. Vernier caliper. Then question B, we have which physical quantity is measured by instruments A and B. So as I said later on, it is length. So these instruments are used to measure physical quantity known as length. So C, which is the last question, which instrument is most suitable to measure the thickness of a razor blade? So the instrument that is most suitable to measure the thickness of a razor blade, here we have a micrometer screw gauge. But we are not supposed to mention the answer because here we have only given us diagram A and diagram B. So we are supposed to use letters. So here you just write A. If you write micrometer screw gauge, you end up getting the question wrong. So this was all we had to answer on question 1. So this has been Righteous Academy. Follow, subscribe, share the videos, and leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you.
This is Righteous Academy, where dreams grow wild like a big oak tree. Knowledge blooms like a flower free. Open your mind and let it be. Don't sweat the tough, we break it down. Turn your frown into a crown. Righteous Academy got you covered. Every challenge we held